I have had so much fun these last 5 days. I hope that you've had the same joy that I've had. Learning new styles, not only learning them, but seeing step by step how they are created. And in case y'all didn't hear me, let me just say it again. I absolutely love locks. I love my locks. Love, 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 love my locks. It's the best hairstyle ever. And now that you've attended the boot camp, you will agree. There's so much creativity and flexibility with wearing locks, more than you thought. Not only with just styling, but having tools to work with like Wrapaloc that gives you that flexibility, that creativity to do more than just wear your locks, but wear your locks with style. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button because I know you liked what you just saw because I gave you my best. Thank you so much again. Peace.